Okay, let's see what we can do with this morning work. I'm gonna write my name. I'm gonna write the date, May 4th, 2020. May the 4th be with you. Woo! And it's Monday. Monday. Write the time next to the time expression, 11:45. So a quarter of the clock, if you look at this clock, if you split it into quarters, quarter is 15 minutes, 5, 10, 15. So if it's 11:45, that means it hasn't got to 11 yet. 11, so it's before 11, and it's 11:45, so that would be back a quarter. It's kind of tricky. Looks like I'm drawing a flower. 10:45 plus 15 minutes, which is a quarter of the clock, would be 11. Half past 7, so it's past 7, so it's at least 7, and then half the clock would be, if there's 60 minutes in an hour, half of it would be 30, so 7:30. Quarter past 9, so 9, a little bit more than 9, a quarter. Again, quarter is 15 minutes, so 9:15. 20 minutes after 10, so it's been 10 o'clock, it's been 10:01, 10:02, 10:03, all the way to 10, 20 minutes later, 20 minutes after 10:20, or 10 o'clock. 5 minutes to 5, so that's a tricky one. It's not quite 5 yet, it's 5 minutes before 5, so you go back 5 minutes, which would be 55, and it would be 4:55. All right, write the past tense of the word run. So today I run, yesterday is in the past, yesterday I ran. Use it in a sentence. I ran all the way to the refrigerator. Beep. Because we can't leave our houses. Oh, we can go outside. I ran outside. Then I ran back in. Unscramble the words to make a sentence. Hamster, my, has, classroom, a pet. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to start with my. I got to capitalize that. Classroom. Did that. Has a pet. Has. I'm going to skip a line. A pet. Hamster. What do you need at the end of the sentence? That's right. A period. Okay, here we go. Solve the problem. 789 minus 325, just in case we need to borrow or carry or something, I don't know. 9 minus 5 we can do. 9, so 5 counting up would be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We could do it that way. That means it's 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. 8 minus 2, 8. Take away 2, so you can count down from 8. You got 8. You take 2 away. You got 6 left. 8 minus 2 is 6. 7 minus 3 is 4. Didn't even need that because, I don't know, we didn't need to borrow. So that was awesome. Now I got this messed up clock that I turned into a flower. And I got to put 6:25, so it's a little bit after 6. Shorthand goes after the 6. And then we're going to start at the 12 and count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So my minute hand, which is the longer one for some unknown reason. Whoever invented the clock did that to us. 6:25. Circle the 2 compound words. Compound words. So that's like basketball. 2 words that turn into 1 word. Basket plus ball. Basketball. Okay, can you see the other one? Give you a hint, it's another sport. My basketball has a hole in it, so I got my baseball from the garage. Did you see it? If you saw baseball, then the answer is yes, you did see it. Good job, you guys! Okay, this is from packet number 4. It's called TikTok. I'm going to read it. I'm going to read the questions. I'm going to read it again. And then I'm going to try and time myself and beat my time. So I'm going to time myself the first time. See if I can catch my mistakes. Did you hear the clock? It goes tick-tock, tick-tock, said Mac. No, I did not hear the clock, said Rick. I was on the back deck. I was playing with my duck. My duck was quacking, so I can't hear the clock. Just try to hear it, said Mac. Rick picked up the clock. He put it by his ear. I hear it, said Rick. I can hear the clock. It goes tick-tock. I could grade it right away, I guess. I'm gonna give it 2 smiley faces. Not 3. I've read better. What did Mac ask? So I got to think about how I'm going to answer these. Why didn't Rick hear the clock? And what did Rick do at the end? So now when I read it again, I have to think about that. Sometimes when you read, it helps to have a line underneath, a ruler or paper or something, so you don't get ahead of yourself. Did you hear the clock? It goes tick-tock, tick-tock, said Mac. No, I did not hear the clock, said Rick. I was on the back deck. I was playing with my duck. My duck was quacking, so I can't hear the clock. Just try to hear it, said Mac. Rick picked up the clock. He put it by his ear. I hear it, said Rick. I can hear the clock. It goes tick-tock. That was better that time. So I can time myself, try and beat my time. I just want to get better and better. Right? Read it 3 times. What did Mac ask? Mac asked, comma, and we gotta underline this. Did you hear the clock? I'm gonna put quotation marks around what he said. Did you hear the clock? Question mark at the end. Why didn't Rick hear the clock? He was out somewhere. Do you remember where he was? He was doing something, playing. He was on the back deck, playing with his duck. Why didn't he hear the duck? My duck was quacking, so I can't hear the clock. So Rick's duck was quacking. Rick's, apostrophe S, duck, it shows ownership, it's possessive, was quacking. Hopefully you guys are working on your handwriting, because I need to. Okay, one more. What did Rick do at the end? Rick picked up the clock and he threw it. No, he didn't throw it. He put it by his ear. I hear it, said Rick. I can hear the clock. It goes tick-tock. Picked up the clock and put it by his ear. Rick put the clock by his ear. And at the end of the sentence, a period. Bang. And then we could read it one more time. Read every day, you guys.